Yeah, I went really overboard.
Overboard? You fell out?
Squeeze. Stop off. Stick your head out. Everybody's got to come inside of Emily, which is impossible.
I might have to take 2.
Where's your selfie stick, Gran?
I got
The house.
She didn't ever get it working.
Okay, I got Emily, Fraser, Molly, Alec, Elaine. Come in between Fraser and Alec. Let's see if I can get this one.
What about me? What about your captain? Saved your life.
Molly, I lost you. Squeeze in. Okay. Still not everybody.
Caney Fork. Pedal faster, Gran. Faster. Whoosh. Mush. This is what I've been doing for 6 miles. I've been sitting up there. I brought my margarita machine, and Gran's been towing me down the river. Gawpaw, you want any ice cold beverages while Gran paddles us?
It's gonna happen. Go, just close your eyes and go. Alec and Fraser got it.
I smell like a whip.
Just do it at the same time. Oh my god. I don't want to. Go! Molly, it's like we all know it's gonna happen and we just die.
Oh my god.
That was so much.
Check that out.
Eat it.
You try to do it different.
I don't understand the point of this game.
I think what I'll do is they're getting ready to go.
So that was some footage from our 2018 trip to the Caney Fork. We went about on a 9-mile canoe and kayak ride that time. We went from Center Hill Dam, is where we put in, and then we went about 9 miles down, looped under the interstate a few times, and then pulled out. I wound up in the canoe with my mother. This was the first time she had canoed, and my dad was in the middle, and I was in the back. We had so much fun that year that we basically went back in 2019 and did the exact same trip. We went on a shorter run this time, and we started where we pulled out in the 2018 trip and went about 6 miles down. And I actually thought this was, well, they're both beautiful, but this one is more open and pretty, and then the other, you're kind of in valleys. So both interesting. We chose the shorter trip this year because we had a small one with us, and we didn't know if he would want to go on a 10-mile ride. And he did great, and we had a lot of fun. We took a picnic. This is Kaylee. She wants to ride in the canoe with me. Hi, Molly. Where are we? Canoe King, so poor Tessie. Emmeline's having fun. This is Marcy. This is Emily. It's Presty. First time ever canoeing.
Oh yeah, right. They didn't go last year.
Graham, no golf ball. Susie, Taylor, and AJ, who is having the time of his life as we speak. I don't think I've ever seen anybody have as much fun as you are right now. It's because you're going to be with me for 2 days. Look at that. Look at that. He is excited. He just realized it for the first time.
What?
Taylor, who are you riding with?
Molly, stop. Take our Snapchat first. Molly, we'll do it when we stop.
We're canoeing the Caney. Again.
Max, you and I are trying to Hey,
Oh.
Dad, let me latch on, bro.
Don't be tipping me over.
Anybody want a pickle?
I'm stopping to eat.
Pickles, grapes.
It is not hot. It's not hot at all. I can't believe how cool it is compared to what It could be. And both trips, that's what we wound up doing. We canoed one day, and then we rented a pontoon boat and went out and found a swimming hole and swam the next day. And it was fun. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. There's Mr. Justin there. Everybody's gonna yell at him the whole time we're here. There's the chief yellers. Oh Lord, it's a video. Hold on.